We come across the situation every day or at least few times a week where we see a cool video or an important video on our Facebook apps and how we wished we could share it with people on WhatsApp. As it turns out, doing so is fairly simple. Namaste Earthlings, this is Abhishek, you're watching Second Impression, and welcome to another episode of The App Affair, where we take a look at all the beautiful apps out there. If you like what I bring to you, please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon for all future notifications. Now, to share a video on WhatsApp, you need to download the video to your phone first. So let's open your Facebook app and select a video to watch. Now tap on the video and then tap on Options and then Copy Link. Now open your Google Chrome app and paste the link on the address bar. The moment you do that, Chrome automatically opens the mobile version of Facebook on your phone. So we need to make a slight change to the URL. We'll go to the address bar, tap on Edit and add the word basic right after M without any space, and then go. After that, long press on the video and select Open in New Tab. And when you open the new tab, you will see an option down below that will let you download the video. Tap on that and your video will start downloading. Download is complete. Tap on that to open the downloaded video and use the share option to share it on WhatsApp. It's that simple. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. You've been watching Second Impression. I'll see you in the next one.